I'm not trying to push you, just can't stop thinking about you.
'Cause you make my earthquake. You make my earthquake. I'm riding around, your love is shaking me up. It's making my...
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Gabrielle. In today's video, I think I really just did the best lace part install that I've done on my channel. Like, I'm a little shook. Okay, so first things first, this unit is from UNice Hair Company. I'm gonna put their playlist at the top because I tried a gazillion different wigs and just bundles and anything that UNice has sold. I probably have tried, so I'm gonna leave the playlist at the top, and the details that I'm about to mention is gonna be down in the description box. So this wig, like I mentioned, is a lace part wig, meaning that it's only a small amount of lace that goes across the front and a small amount of lace that goes right down so that you can have a middle lace part. Now the lace in the middle is probably a little less than an inch in width, okay, and the lace that's going around the perimeter of your front of your wig is, I would say, maybe a little less than half of an inch. So you're not getting a lot of lace, and therefore these wigs are like really convenient, but at the same time, in my opinion, they're not the most natural looking wig. It's just not. Like, it's just not. So anyways, this can be glueless. I went ahead and put just a little bit of hairspray just to hold it down a little bit on the ends, on the side, because I just felt like it needed it. Okay, so when it comes to like how I would wear these wigs, and these wigs, meaning lace part wigs, I would typically only wear them down. I would not even think about putting them up, just because, like, you know, finesse the front of the wig, because it's only a little bit of lace, and if you were not successful in making it look the most natural, girl, go ahead and just lay the hair down in front, hide that. So I would suggest wearing these wigs down, and if you're gonna do that, very convenient. Like I said, very convenient. Okay, it does have combs and adjustable straps, which I did take advantage of, so the wig is very snug on my head. And because there is like only a little bit of lace, you can't pluck a lot, so that's another reason why it is very convenient, because you're not, if you're a beginner, I don't know, it's a double-edged sword, okay? Because if you're a beginner, I mean, it is truly like not much you gotta do to this wig, because you can't really do much to it, so you don't have to worry about like glue or anything like that. But on the other hand, you gotta really try to finesse it to make it look natural, and I feel like I did that. I don't know, to my own horn, okay? But I did use baby hairs in the front just to make it look a tiny bit more natural, in my opinion. And then I could have plucked a little bit in the middle if I really wanted to do something, but y'all know I like to use my concealer just to finesse down the middle part. So that's what I ended up doing, and that's it, okay? I did a little trimming to frame it around my face and to give it some more shape, honestly, some more shape. When it comes to like how the hair feels, it is extremely soft. The one thing that I do want to mention is when I did wash this wig, whenever I get blonde highlighted wigs or anything with blonde, I always just go ahead and use my purple shampoo. I leave it on for about 25-30 minutes, and then I rinse it out. Sometimes it does nothing, sometimes it does a lot, so it just really depends. And I feel like this using the shampoo did like a tiny bit to the unit, but nothing like major. So I wouldn't say like I highly suggest using purple shampoo on this particular wig. It's really not much I have to say. It was a quick install. I feel like it looks good, so good that y'all know I sell my wigs that I don't end up, you know, wearing on my Instagram page, which I'm gonna put down in the description box. But I might just keep this one because I feel like it is just so pretty, so, I don't know, it's just giving me something that the other wigs I have in my stash isn't giving me right now. So with that being said, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will check y'all out in the next one. Bye.
I'm not trying to push you, just can't stop thinking about you. You ain't even really gotta be my girlfriend. I just want